Hey guys, you're looking at the Ninja FlexFlame Outdoor Grill, Ninja's first propane-powered appliance and also one of the most ambitious Ninja products to ever hit the market. I got an early preview of it, how it works, I even got to grill a bit on it. I'll show you everything right here in this video. So here it is. It's a $999 3-burner propane grill with 424 square inches of cook space. That's the only configuration for now, and it takes a lot of the learnings from the rest of the Ninja Woodfire product line by combining convection and a beginner-friendly smoke box with the pleasure of cooking over fire. A key feature is temperature regulation when it comes to the flames. An internal thermometer knows when the lid is open and auto-corrects the temperature, which could mean less propane use in terms of efficiency. The grill runs between 200 and 600 degrees with 5 cooking modes. 4 you set on the ignition knob, low and slow, roast and bake, 2-zone indirect cooking, and grill and pizza. The 5th one is the optional wood fire flavor. This means using the smoke box and wood pellets to infuse that classic barbecue smoky flavor in your food. I absolutely love this feature on my Ninja Woodfire outdoor oven. It's really great for people who are intimidated by smoking. I was right there with you, but this just makes it so approachable. So we also have this display. Note that you do need electricity to run this grill. That could be a downside depending on your setup. There's also no integrated temperature probe for your food, though Ninja is quick to remind you that the Ninja wireless thermometer can go up to 700 degrees, so it's totally compatible with FlexFlame cooking. Similarly, there's a whole lineup of accessories made for the FlexFlame, including griddle toppers. That's huge in terms of versatility, even if Weber did do it first. There's also a pizza stone. Tried it, works pretty well. If it's preheated properly, you get a pizza in about 5 minutes. Should mention too that there's a roasting rack, a caddy for all of your tools. Ninja has pretty much thought of everything. But to keep things simple, I whipped up some burgers on the FlexFlame, a classic grilling test right here, and I was really pleased with the heat distribution. As with any grill, there is a hot spot, but overall I got a very even cook. It meant I was able to serve up everything at once. That's something that I'm always thinking about, convenience when it comes to hosting, and I definitely got that vibe here. The side tables are also convenient and I think rather spacious relative to the grill's size overall. By the time you're seeing this video, the FlexFlame is actually at my house, ready for me to put through the paces, so make sure you're subscribed and let me know in the comments if you want to see a full review video. My first impression is that the footprint and ease of use makes it a good, fair-priced option for first-time grill owners or maybe just people who have limited outdoor space, since it is a lot of different outdoor appliances in one: a grill, a smoker, a pizza oven. People who love all things Ninja will also find a lot of familiar branding and user guides, so this was made, to me, clearly with the fans of the brand in mind. I think that just about covers everything you need to know about the Ninja FlexFlame grill. I'm curious to know if it's on your radar in the lead up to peak grilling season. I'm seeing a lot of buzz about it online, so let me know what you think. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.